Bless you. No, really, bless you. Because what just came out of your nose is a biological marvel. Did you know that when you sneeze, that cloud of droplets can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah, faster than a lot of speed limits on the highway. Imagine this. You're driving your car and a sneeze overtakes you. It's wild. That forceful explosion is your body's way of clearing out irritants, like dust or pollen, at lightning speed. It's like a tiny, wet biological rocket launch. So the next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're about to unleash a Category 2 hurricane right from your face. Stay safe out there, and if you love fun facts like this, make sure to subscribe for more.